everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with one of the new Too Faced holiday kits. This one is the Christmas Cookie House Party Limited Edition Makeup Collection. It's the biggest one that I saw at Sephora, so I bought that one because I figured it had the most products in it. So it comes with eyeshadow primer, eyeshadows, bronzer, blush, highlights, all the stuff you need to create a fun look. So I'm kind of showing you my first impressions of the products as I go along and show you guys how I came up with this look. So before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell beside the subscribe button, that way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and if you'd like to know how I got this look, what I think of the products, then please just keep watching. Okay, so here's the kit. I have not even opened it up yet. I know what's inside of it obviously, but I'm gonna open it up for the first time today. So I already put on my foundation, just to get that out of the way. Cute. So when you open it up, it has the lipstick and the eyeshadow primer on the top. Oh, this is the lipstick in the shade Gingerbread Man, and I bet you it smells like gingerbread. It does. I love that Too Faced stuff, smells so good. I don't know if I want to use this shade for my lips today, but I will swatch it for you guys. That's what this shade looks like, and I really love these liquid lipsticks. I have a couple myself, and the formula is really good. Okay, this is freaking adorable. This is what it looks like. It's shaped as a gingerbread house. It also comes with little mini Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is one of the best mascaras ever. And then I forgot, but it comes with a little mini palette. It has like these really pretty pressed glitter shades in it and a couple of mattes. And then there's this guy, which is the bronzer, highlighter, and blush. And this is the main palette. The front of it is so cute. It's a little ginger girl coming out of the door. These are cute. Two ginger people cheersing. So here's the palette with all the shades. Some really nice warm shades. Perfect holiday colors. I'm really excited to use this palette. I really like Too Faced eyeshadows. So as long as the formula has stayed the same, I should love this palette. This also smells like gingerbread. So I think I'm going to start off with my eyes. None of these palettes come with a mirror, which is kind of a bummer if you wanted to like travel with them or anything. So I'm first going to go in with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I don't think I've used this eye primer before. I might have and I just don't remember, but as far as I remember, I've never used it. So I'm just going to prime my eyes with this. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to, because I'm noticing this is a transparent and I have very veiny eyelids and I don't want that to peek through my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime with concealer like I normally do, so I hide all of those. I'm not too sure what I will do for the eyes. I think I'll go into the mini palette first and take this shade called On a Roll. And this is just going to go right into my crease. And then I'm going to take this shade called What a Batch in the main palette. It's a little bit deeper than the other shade I use, and I'm also going to put this into my crease. These eyeshadows are just as I remember them. They are so smooth, so nice. Now taking the shade called Oh Snap right here. This is going to go onto my outer corner and also deepen up the outer half of my crease as well. Okay, I'm kind of being basic right now, but these are just the colors that are being drawn to me right now. So next I'm going to go in with Kiss and Caramel. It is the shimmery gold in the palette. I'm going to pop this on the inner part of my lid. Okay, now I'm going to take one of the pressed glitters. I'm going to take the shade called Miss Crinkle. It is the gold one. And I'm going to pick it up on my finger and start pressing it over top before I put the gold shade, and kind of also more onto the middle of my eyelid. Glitter makes everything stand out way more. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I find that using my finger works best with pressed glitter. It's the least messy and it actually sticks on when I use my finger. Sometimes when I use a brush it can take away some of the product or the other eyeshadow I had on beforehand and smudge it. So this way I'm just really careful, just patting on the glitter. I'm going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to grab this Hank & Henry Slick With It liquid liner. It's my favorite liquid liner ever, and I'm just going to line my upper lash line with it. So I got these in my recent BoxyCharm. They're Lily Lashes. I've never tried Lily Lashes before, but I heard they're amazing. They're in the style CEO. This is actually my last month BoxyCharm. I'm going to switch to Ipsy and try it out. I did a little poll on my Instagram to see what you guys wanted. If you wanted me to stay with BoxyCharm, switch to Ipsy, and majority of you said switch to Ipsy, so I'm actually really excited. I used to be subscribed to Ipsy when they just did sample bags, but now they do 5 full-size products in a box. So I'm going to subscribe to that one and see how I like it. But before I pop these on, I must use some mascara. Obviously I'm going to use the one that came in the holiday kit. I love this mascara. I just ran out of mine, so I'm happy I have a new one. Okay, I've got the lashes on. They are crazy. I'm not used to this dramatic of a lash. And I think I messed up my eyeliner when I was fixing it up because of these big birds on my eyes. I can't see anything, but anyways, I'm now baking and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face makeup using this guy. So I'm obviously gonna take the bronzer in the palette. It's called Extra Toasty. I'm gonna bronze up my face with it. I'm really excited because I really like Too Faced bronzers. It goes perfectly with the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna wipe away this powder. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the shade Pound Cake. I'm gonna go into the blush. It's called Daydreamer. It's a really pretty blush. I wasn't expecting it to look like that. It goes perfectly with the bronzer too. Okay, now for the highlighter. I actually didn't think that this was a highlighter when I looked at it. Like when you look at the back of the packaging, I thought it was another bronzer, like a shimmery bronzer. But no, it's a highlighter. It's called Get Frosted. It has this kind of pink champagne undertone. So let's see how it looks on the face. That's really pretty, not what I was expecting. But I'm really glad that it's not showing up super pink on my skin. I'm gonna put some on the collarbones too. I haven't done that in a while. I always forget, but it looks so pretty. I finish up this lower lash line before I forget. I use the same shades I used before in my crease. I know that this lipstick will go with the look, but I just feel like I don't want to wear this one. I feel like I want a nude. So I'll wear that in another look sometime, but I'm gonna do my favorite nude because I've been doing it every day and I love it. So first I take the lip liner in the shade Dainty Days, the NYX lip liner, and then I take the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Naked and I start putting it on the outer parts of my lips. And then last I take the Too Faced lipstick in the shade Dollface. This goes right in the center of my lips. Okay guys, well that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun playing around with the new Too Faced products. Too Faced is one of my favorite brands of all time. They literally never disappoint me, so I'm very happy with all of these palettes and this kit. Let me know if you guys pick it up and what you think of it, or if you're buying it for a gift for somebody this Christmas. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!